Are you looking for the best office laminator? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best laminator on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Sinopuren Thermal Laminator. Sinopuren Thermal Laminator is the best office laminator. It is a piece of genuine all-rounder equipment with a built-in paper hole puncher and a paper trimmer, making DIY a breeze. This laminator package comes with a 9-inch laminator machine, an additional 1 PC corner rounder, and 10 A4 lamination pouches, which may be used at school, at home, or in the office. The 2 strong steel industrial-grade rollers built-in make it significantly less probable that any blurring, running, or color variation will occur. Additionally, it has a 3-minute fast warm-up, laminating speed of 300 mm per minute, and continuous lamination. 4 pouches require just under a minute to make it happen. Sinopuren's laminators are small, light, and easy to transport. To assist you in purchasing with assurance, they provide a 3-year full refund or a free replacement if you register your items. With its integrated design and many vital accessories, you do not need to buy an additional puncher, which is markedly saving money. Creating a children's book for pictures with the 2-hole puncher is simple. It is the best laminator for home use. At number 2. Thermal Laminator from Scotch. This simple machine produces high-quality laminating to laminate essentials, pictures, recipe cards, arts and crafts, often handled documents, and more with confidence. Items, which are up to 9 inches broad, can be laminated. Its 2 heated rollers produce professional-looking results devoid of bubbles and wrinkles. To help protect important memories, use only photographs that are suitable to use. They offer options for all manufacturing machines for 3mm and 5mm pouches. This simple 9-inch laminator is a convenient way to start thermal laminating, making it the best laminating machine. Pouches equal to 5 mils thick can be laminated. There are 2 temperature options. The starter bundle includes 1 thermal laminator and 2 letter-size beginning pouches. Do not use power or outlet conversion equipment with it. Warm-up timeframes vary for each machine, but your laminator is all set to start lamination when the set light shines. The power switch can be placed on the rear, and will work like a toggle switch or on the top as a push button. Choose a pouch setting of 3 or 5 mils according to your pouch's thickness. At number 3. Thermal Laminator with Pouch Bundle from Scotch PRO. Thermal Laminator with Pouch Bundle from Scotch PRO with 2 roller system and never jam technology will automatically restrict misled products with the laminating pouches from Scotch. Warm up for 5 minutes. When the laminator is prepared, a light turns on. The dimensions of this assembled product are 4.00, 15.80, and 4.00 inches. The Never Jam technology items automatically prevent misfeeding. This machine with 2 rollers. Thermal Laminator with Pouch Bundle from Scotch PRO laminates at a rate of 15 inches per minute. Use it with heat pouches 3 to 5 mil thick and up to 9 inches wide. The auto cutoff after an hour of idleness aids in energy conservation. It is a machine that laminates 6-inch to 10-inch throat width. You cannot use this laminator with anything other than a 120V outlet grounded. It is a laminator with such a converter for outlet or voltage. At number 4. WorkEyes Laminator Machine. The ABS key on the 9-inch laminator device is a quick release button. Cut the power, push the fast release key with your hand, and take the paper out from the paper inlet using the other hand if there is a jammed paper. Paper jams can be solved using the ABS key. The rapid 3-minute warm-up time and incredible 400 mm/min pace can help you work more efficiently and eliminate wrinkles, blisters, and curling, resulting in a quieter, smoother, and faster working environment. The 2-roller method guarantees that the lamination is efficient and smooth. WorkEyes Laminator machine has a hot rolling system with 3mm and 5mm thicknesses. Papers up to 9 inches broad, 230 mm width/A4 size can be laminated. Any 3mm or 5mm pouches will work. This bag comes with 20 pouches and is ideal for documents, letters, photo-size papers, business cards, legal documents, and pictures. This pouch is ideal for thinner materials. The thickness of the lamination sheet is measured in mils. With a system of clever temperature control, this laminating machine will not get too hot, which is better for protecting your equipment and extending its lifespan. The working noise is 30 dB, allowing you to concentrate on your job without being distracted by laminating noise. At number 5. SINCHI Laminating Machine. Even if you could not place the pouch fully, the jam-free construction offers flawless guidance for the lamination pouch, since it goes through the laminating machine. It ensures that the possibility of jam is next to impossible. Because the roller's jam-free design almost eliminates jams, most require a constant supply pouch that will pass through and accomplish the laminating output in an acceptable quality. The 40-second warm-up plus 20" per minute lamination speed will save you time on laminating tasks. It is suitable for use in schools and offices as a presenting laminator and thus as a private laminator. Unlike standard laminators, SINCHI Laminating Machine has two separate temperature options for 3 and 5 mil lamination pouches. All typical pouches up to width 1/3, from 13x19 banners to business card and ID card size, fit through the 13-inch inlet. Shutting the laminating machine off for 30 minutes after its last usage increases safety and saves energy. They provide an after-sales service for a 12-month warranty and 7 days a week to care about you. The box includes 10 3mm laminating papers along with 1 cleanup paper. At number 6. Laminator with Laminating Sheets, 7-in-1. This laminator comes with a border rounder, a 3-pattern sheet cutter, and 20 to 70 laminating papers with a 2-roller system that makes laminating quick and easy. Straight cuts are produced using a precise and reliable paper trimmer. It has accurate grid lines that allow for exact cutting results. Quick 2 to 6 minute laminator machine heat up with the ready indication light on, ABS key is inserted, and there are no paper jams. Preserve and protect your documents with a fast lamination speed. Laminator for A3, A4, A5, and A6 size letter, business card, legal and great for flexible DIY crafts and projects. Use this for home, personal DIY, office, and other purposes. Machine for laminating 2 warmed rollers, 1 hot and 1 cold, provide a professional, high-quality, and safe product that is simple to use. The updated laminator mechanism and the double blade design provide a smooth laminating process, so there is zero noise while laminating at 250 mm/min. Laminating machine with 7 functions and cutter includes corner rounder, a 3-pattern sheet trimmer and aesthetic cutter that makes it simple to obtain attractive, rounded corners and excellent for pictures for fillets. The hot and cold system improves your comfort.